So this question says the length y of a white whale was 162 centimeters when it was born and increased an average of 4.8 centimeters, just underline the quantitative stuff here, per month for the first 12 months after it was born. Okay, so first of all, this is definitely a translate word problem question. And with that, I do not like to read the entire question all in one go. I prefer to stop and take note of anything quantitative and see if there's any translation that I can make. So I'm going to just say that y is equal to 162 centimeters, or just 162, plus 4.8, I'm going to say M for months, right? This allows me to capture the translation for the first sentence. How do I know that? Well, when months are 0, which means when the white whale was first born, then we'd have just the 162, which is exactly what the question tells us. However, after the whale begins to age at month 1 or 2 and so on and so forth, we're adding in this 4.8 centimeters per month for that whale. Now, of course, M can not be greater than 12, so I'm going to say it's less than or equal to 12, and we know it can't be negative, so I won't deal with that. The next sentence says, which equation best represents this situation where x is the number of months after the whale was born and y is the length in centimeters of the whale? Well, the only difference between that question and what I've written is that they're using x instead of m, so I'll just replace this with x. Let's see if we can find the answer based upon our translation, and it looks like it will be choice D, right? So it's rearranged a bit, right? But, they've put the 162 second and the 4.8x first, but there really isn't any difference. So choice D is our answer. Again, translate word problem. Make sure you're understanding what you read as you go instead of waiting to finish reading the entire paragraph.